Hi, today in front of me VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. And if you want to add some options from here to your panel, you should just hold it and drag this option just to the subsection. To remove some of the options, by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Then just to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.